Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I did a simple makeup using Too Faced again. Kasi yun lang naman ang palette ko for the moment. Although may iba pa naman akong palette, kaso I really love that palette right now. So I just keep on using and using it. So for those who's interested in getting this look, please panoorin nyo na lang, proceed and continue watching till the end. For today, I would like to teach you a simple makeup tutorial na nakita ko din dito sa loob ng palette na to, dun sa binili ko ng Too Faced. So, although I'm loving and hating Too Faced at the same time, hindi ko malaman kung nagsisisi ba ako or natutuwa ba ako dahil binili ko siya. Pero, well, anyway, let's try it for the second time. Maybe my perspective will change, no? So anyway, just in case you're wondering, doing, did I just say a taboo? Sorry naman. Kung makikita nyo, no? I'm trying to bake and I already did my skincare, I put on my foundation, concealed, I did everything. I would like to start with my eyebrows. So, just a moment and I will start doing my eyebrows. Okay, so I am already done with my eyebrows. As you can see, this is the usual eyebrows that I like, bushy. Kasi wala po akong eyebrows. Nangangarap ako na magkaroon ng bushy brows. So, hopefully, na-achieve ko siya. Ganyan lang. Ganyan nga lang. Medyo natagalan. As usual, the one that I'm using for my eyebrows are the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Ebony. Ito po ang kanyang shade. Yan po. Tapos, ang ginamit kong pangkilay dito, yung angled brush from NYX. Hindi ko matandaan kung magkano bili ko dito. Pero, I really like this angled brush na pangkilay kasi napaka-precise niya actually. And as usual, I always prefer to wet my angled brush. I like it to wet, you know. Kapag pilang kikilay, pag kinikilayan. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin at this moment is kukunin natin itong shade na to, na buff it out, and then, we will put it all over our eyelids, including here sa my brow bone area ninyo. Talagay nyo dyan. Yan. So, pag na-achieve nyo na yung shade, yung kapal na gusto ninyo, stop na kayo. Pero sa akin kasi, gusto ko pang i-emphasize ng polo mesh. Ganyan. Also, don't forget to put on your eyelid primer bago kayo mag-apply. Ako kasi, ang ginagawa ko, ang pinaka-primer na ginagamit ko para sa eyeshadow is concealer or yung foundation na. Hindi ako gumagamit ng primer talaga. So, next is, ang ilalagay natin is itong shade na to, Embrace Me. Medyo ano siya, parang taupe yung kulay. Very, very light. Tapos, i-blend natin siya dito. Yan. Dito sa area na to. Ganyan. Bali, itong look na to, for me, maganda to sa mga soft glam kasi siya eh. Siguro maganda to pag-abay ka sa kasal. Or, kung siguro papa-interview ka, carry din. Papasok sa school, pwede. Pero, much better kasi mga natural look lang kapag pumapasok sa school. For me ha, that's my own personal opinion. Pero of course, as usual, you can do whatever pleases you. Kung saan kayo masaya. So, medyo gusto pang kapalan. So, I will be back after maikabit, ano ba? Mailagay yung shade na Embrace Me sa both eye area ko, okay? Okay, so next is Alimutan ko sa inyo sabihin na yung same shade na ginamit natin pang smoke dito sa area na to is gagamitin din natin dito sa lower lash line. Bali, i-smoke out nyo lang dito sa lower part na to, dito sa outer corner. Ganyan. And then, try to blend. So, I think this is how it should go, I think. Huh? Dito sa area na to. Yan. Here. Dito. So, continue doing that until you achieve the color that you like. So, for me kasi medyo darker ang trip ko eh. So, kung gusto din ninyong medyo dark or light, nasa sa inyo pa rin naman ang control nun. So, see you later after I do both of my eyes. Okay, so I already did my lower lash line with this Embrace Me shade. Ngayon, ang ilalagay naman natin next is dito sa mismong eyelid natin, yung Love Spark, itong shade na to. Dito. So, bali, ang gagawin natin, so I already did put the Love Spark shade on my eyelids. As you can see, mas nagsishimmer na siya. Then next is, ang gagawin ko is ilalagay ko tong blindfolded, itong pinaka-darkest shade na makikita ninyo sa palette na to. Tapos, gagawa lang tayo ng smoky wing eyeliner. Sorry. Nasabit ako. So, I already finished putting the smoky winged eye on my eyes. So, right now, ang gagawin naman natin sa pinaka-inner corners, lalagay natin tong all tied up. Pero, earlier, I just put the Love Spark. Well, patungan na lang natin. Papatong ko na lang. To see how it will come out. Oh, it looks brighter than my future. It's nice. Gagawin ko naman ngayon is magta-tightline ako. Ta-tightline ko yung eyelashes ko. So, alam niyo yung ngayon, ang gagamitin kong pang tightline is itong eyeliner from NYX. Pakikita ko sa inyo. Yan, actually, this is a waterproof eyeliner, which is really good for wing eyeliner. Right now, I would like to curl my eyelashes using this curl lash from NYX, the one that I bought from NYX. This one. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished putting the mascara on my eyes. And now, I will try to apply this really, really thin, natural looking eyelashes. Ngayon naman is tatanggalin ko na, ibabrush off ko na yung, saan na ba yan? Ibabrush off ko na yung powder na ginamit ko. Okay, let's proceed to the cheeks and the highlights and contour. So, eto. Bali, ang gagamitin kong pang kulay ko sa cheeks ko is the one from Benefit, Rakatur, yung shade. Actually, maliit lang siya. As you can see, ina-apply ko na yung blush on. Ganyan. Ganyan lang. Parang, gusto ko kasi yung medyo ginaganyan dito sa area na to. Ayan. Medyo dark yung shade nito, actually. Ganyan lang. Ayan, and also don't forget your chin. Like this. Okay. Medyo, bato hindi masyadong ma-pigment. Kaloka, guys. Ayan. Medyo nakakita na ako ng pigment. Ayan. Okay. So, I think I'm happy with the color. Okay, so now I would like to contour a little bit because I've been eating a lot lately. Okay, so next is I would like to highlight. So I think I'm happy with my contour. Wait, I would like to also contour my nose. I would like to put some nose line. So as usual, do the thing that I told you last time. So ganyan. Ayan. Pero I would like to add more, a little bit more. Like this. Okay. Okay, so hindi masyadong hard yung pagkaka-nose line ko today, ha? Hindi katulad last time na nagmukha naman akong ano, si Chuck. Ay, naku. So, ayan, ganyan. And then, mag-highlight na tayo. Masyadong bright naman yung ilaw ko dito, kaloka. Pag ano yung tama. So, ayan. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Ayan. Dito sa upper area kung saan tinatamaan ng ilaw. Dito. And then dito. And then dito sa Cupid's bow. Like that. And then, kapag nagbe-blend kasi ako ng highlighter, I prefer to always use my hand when I'm trying to blend. Kasi mas tansyado ko siya. Also, hindi ko alam ha, kahit sa foundation, sa sa concealer, mas prefer kong ginagamit yung kamay ko kaysa sa brush. Ayan, blend it away. Kasi mas nabiblend ko siya ng tama for some reason. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit ganun. So, ayan. Pati yung sa Cupid's bow, wag naman yung masyadong obvious na ayan, ganyan lang. Very light. Okay, so now, I would like to moisturize my lips. Okay, so after moisturizing your lips, you are now ready to apply your lipstick. And the one that I will be using is from Benefit Double the Lip. They're Real. Yun yung name ng lipstick. Ayan. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya. Favorite ko to. Gamit na nga. Ayan na lang, konti na lang ang titira. Kasama siya dun sa kit ng Rock Couture na blush on na nabili ko. So, ayan siya. Para siyang duo yung kulay niya. Tapos, sa pinaka-top na area ng lips mo, para medyo magiging dark siya. So, ayan. I-apply ko na siya. This is the final look. Finished product ng ating makeup tutorial for today. I hope you like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!